Hello everybody and welcome back. This is Sushri Sashmita Sahu, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering from Government Polytechnic Nayagarh. Well, in the last video class, we had already started the fourth chapter of Power Plant Engineering, that is your diesel engine power plant. So let us just continue today. Before starting, let me just refresh what we had learned in the last class. In the last class, we had covered all this topic. That is, I had introduced you the concept of diesel engine power plant. मु कही गोटे पावर प्लांट जो थे गोटे जेनेटर थाए तार रोटर आर्म टा जदि मोर डीजल इंजन चलाउची then it is known as your diesel engine power plant. Then these were the parts of diesel engine which we already discussed. There were diesel engine, the engine fuel storage and supply system, fuel injection system, air intake system, engine exhaust system and engine starting system. In today's class, we shall cover the engine lubricating system, engine cooling system, engine governing system. We shall see the various advantages and disadvantages of a diesel engine power plant. We shall see where are the practical applications of diesel engine power plant and then some assignment questions. So let's start with engine lubricating system. Ame janichu, machine is a combination of mechanisms. Mechanisms is combination of different links which are running having a relative motion to each other. It means machine रे बहुत सारा parts रहुचे जिए के with respect to each other motion रे अछंती. तो जदि दीटा part motion रे अछंती तांकर outer surface they will rub against each other. तो जदि दीटा surface एमती rub होउची due to this rubbing action गोटे frictional force produce होउची. This frictional force can reduce the output power of an engine. Also, a friction force सकाशे मोर wear and tear हे पारिबो, मोर noise हे पारिबो, मोर vibration हे पारिबो. So I have to keep this frictional force under decrease. I have to decrease this frictional force. सेटा केमती हबो? It will happen जेतोले मु गोटे thin film of lubricant किंबा thin film of oil if I introduce between the rubbing surfaces to decrease the frictional force between them, which reduces any wear and tear of the rubbing parts. So from the diagram you can see, this is the diagram of a lubricating system. Diesel engine rahila which is coupled with the electrical generator. Lubricating oil, ragote oil tank rahichi, pump, oil filter, oil cooler and then the line back to diesel engine. So first, good lubricating oil मोरो इंजन उपरे पूरा स्प्रे होउची. Then as कि सेटा इंजन उपरे स्प्रे होउची, इंजन रे गोटे पावर आउटपुट होउची, तो इंजन रो किछिटा हीट से lubricating oil absorb करूची. So this return oil is having higher temperature and it is collected in this oil tank. मते ए oil टा वापस recirculate करियार अछि. But as कि तारो temperature अधिका हे जायछि, मते से temperature टा को decrease करियार अछि. To decrease the temperature, I have to send it to the oil cooler via a oil pump and a oil filter. Oil cooler रे गोटे line रहुची cold water रो. तो से cold water कौन करची? ए oil रो excess heat ता निजे absorb करिकी oil टा को cool करिकी वापस मोरो diesel engine को छाड़ी दोउची. So this is your working of a lubricating system. But again, engine upare lubricating system केमिति spray होउची. So accordingly there are different types of engine lubricating system. So engine lubricating system can be of wet sump lubrication system, dry sump lubrication system and mist lubrication system. Wet sump as the name suggests, गोटे oil sump रे जदि all the time oil रहिला then it is known as your wet sump lubrication system. किंतु जदि से sump रे all the time oil रहिलानी, oil is collected in some other different reservoir, then it is your dry sump lubrication system. Then mist lubrication system, oil lubricating oil किछटा particles रे mist particles रे fuel सहित जेतले mix ହେଇକି introduce हबो, that is your mist lubrication system. Wet lubrication system is of different types: splash lubrication system, pressure lubrication system, semi pressure lubrication system. So आमे अभी का details रे सब जाको system पढ़िबा. Firstly, splash lubrication system. As the name suggests, splash माने मोर lubricating oil टा छिटकी की मोर different parts उपरे पड़िबो. So you can see the diagram. This is your piston, this is the connecting rod, this is your crankshaft. देखि पारछो connecting rod रो lower part टा गोटे scoop है कि अच्छी. Yes, से scoop जो थरे तमे सब आइसक्रीम खाऊच. गोटे अधिका diameter वाला spoon. तो ए scoop टा it gets dipped into the lubricating oil जोटा ठीक तले गोटे oil sump रे रहुची. So with the reciprocating motion of the connecting rod, this dips into the oil and you can see splashes of lubricating oil on every parts of the system. Sabu part engine ro different parts re is splash goda ko paduchi and this is how lubrication is done. But this splash lubrication system is only suitable for low and medium speed engine having moderate bearing load pressures. Coming to next, pressure lubrication system. As the name suggests, pressure माने lubricating oil under pressure मोरो पहुंचुचे सबु जाको parts को. Under pressure means there must be a pump which supplies the lubricating oil to different parts. So this is the diagram. एडी रहिला मोरो lubricating oil रो pump. सेटा via a filter मोरो supply होउची different parts को. You can see this yellow lines are the supply lines of the lubricating oil. Sabbutika part, you can see this is the crankshaft, this is your camshaft, these are your ports, inlet and exhaust ports, this is your piston, the connecting rod, the crankshaft, the cylinder head. Every other parts are being supplied with the lubricating oil. Plus, देखि पार्छ एठी छोटा छोटा nozzles अछि. ए nozzles गोडा को कौन करछि lubricating oil गोडा को unreachable places को भी सेठी मोरो स्प्रे करि पारुछि. There is a pressure regulatory valve जे कि बतेइबो कि हां मोरो pressure रे मोरो fuel मोरो oil मोरो supply होछि to different parts. And after the oil is lubricating, after the lubricating oil is lubricates all the parts, वापस से oil गोडा को collect हे जाउछि मोरो oil sump रे. You can see this blue lines are the dripping of oil which is being collected into the oil sump. एठी भी गोटे deep oil sump रहुछि जो थरे गोटे rubber valve रहुछि गोटे cock रहुछि जे कि just level of the oil तुमको बतेइबो. This system is widely used as it allow high pressure, high bearing pressure and rubbing speed. Coming to semi pressure lubrication system. जेतोबेले गोटे system रे मु splash system plus pressure system use karibi, that is known as your semi pressure lubrication system. It means some of the parts are being lubricated by splash lubrication and some parts are being lubricated by pressure lubrication system. So there is also a main supply of oil which is located at the base of the crank chamber. Oil is drawn from the lower portion of the sump and delivered by means of a pump. The big end bearings are lubricated by means of spray through nozzles, which also lubricates the cam, the crankshaft, the cylinder walls and timing gears. Also it is provided with pressure gauges JK satisfactorily oil supply होउछि ना नै से ताको चेक करिवो. What are the advantages? जदि मु pressure system सहित कंपेयर करिवि एठी मोर semi pressure system is very less costly to install. जदि मु splash system सहित कंपेयर करिवि it enables high bearing load and engine speed. Now coming to your dry sump lubrication system. As मु तमो कहली dry sump माने ए oil sump रे all the time oil मोरो store हे कि रहुनी. The oil collect हे जाउची into an oil reservoir. All the time मोरो lubricating oil reservoir रे रहउची. जेतोबेले engine चालुची diesel engine चालची through an oil filter, oil cooler and main oil pump, it is being sprayed to the engine. Gote pressure regulators rohuchi only to regulate the pressure of the lubricating oil, and you can see lubricate kar saila pore that oil is being connected into the sump and then it is sent back to the oil reservoir using a scavenge oil pump. एठी advantage हला कि जेमते previous system रे wet lubrication system रे गोटे बड़ा oil sump दरकार थला, गोटे deep oil sump दरकार होतला, एठी सेटा required नाही. Plus spilling रो भी एठी किछि disadvantages रहिबनी as it is being connected into the oil reservoir. So dry sump lubrication system is generally adopted for high capacity engines. Now coming to your mist lubrication system. This is generally used in two-stroke engine. Mist lubrication माने मोर फ्यूएल सहित ही लुब्रिकेटिंग ऑयल 2 to 3% रे मिक्स हेकी द मिस्ट फॉर्म रे इट इज सप्लाइड टू द इंजन. सो engine are lubricated by adding 2 to 3% of lubricating oil in the fuel tank itself. Fuel जोटा vaporize होची तादरे oil mix होची in the form of in mist which goes into the crankcase into the cylinder. Crankcase रे सबु जाको lubricate कर साइला परे माने the main and the connecting bearing rod bearings को lubricate कर साइला परे when it passes up it also lubricates the piston ring and the cylinder. Advantage है it is very simple and also मोर cost आधरे बहुत कम रहेबो. So this was your lubrication system. Now coming to engine cooling system. As I know the IC engine internal combustion engine सेठी power internally produce होचे. As power produce होची then of course गोटे heat होथबो temperature बहुत अधिका reach होथबो. At some point of time temperature reaches to 1500 degree Celsius. तो जदि मोर हाई टेम्परेचर रहिला मोर इंजन पार्ट्स रे मोर इंजन पार्ट्स गुड़ाक किछि पार्ट्स गुड़ाक मेल्ट करी आरंभ कर जिवो. देयर विल बी वियर एंड टियर एंड ऑल्सो ड्यू टू दिस मोर पिस्टन सीज करी पारे एंड फाइनली मोर इंजन सीज कर जिवो. सो आई हैव टू चेक कि इंजन रो टेम्परेचर एते हाई न रहू प्लस ऑल्सो बेसी भी कम न हो जाओ. बेसी कम हेले मोर जो फ्यूएल रो इग्निशन टेम्परेचर थाए जेतले से निजे बर्न करे से इग्निशन टेम्परेचर भी रीच करि परिवनी. सो इन इंजन कूलिंग सिस्टम आई हैव टू द इंजन कूलिंग सिस्टम इज रिक्वायर्ड टू कैरी ओनली द एक्सेस अमाउंट ऑफ हीट फ्रॉम द डीजल इंजन टू कीप इट्स टेम्परेचर विद इन सेफ लिमिट. सो दिस इज द डायग्राम ऑफ अ इंजन कूलिंग सिस्टम. यू कैन सी द डीजल इंजन रो चारिकटे गोटे वाटर जैकेट थाए जेमती आमे शीत दिन रे गोटे जैकेट पिंधु स्वेटर पिंधु सो दैट बाहर रो टेम्परेचर हमको अफेक्ट न करू. एठी कौन हुए गोटे वाटर जैकेट थाए जे कि इंजन रो जो हीट टा प्रोड्यूस होची जो हाई टेम्परेचर प्रोड्यूस होची हाई टेम्परेचर को अब्जॉर्व करिकी ए पानी टा वाटर जैकेट रो जो पानी थाए सीए गरम हे जिवो. सो दिस हॉट वाटर फ्रॉम द वाटर जैकेट इज कलेक्टेड इनटू द सर्ज टैंक. ए सर्ज टैंक रो पानी वापस मते पहुंचेवार अछि वाटर जैकेट को बट अगेन मते तार टेम्परेचर रिड्यूस करियार अछि. सो हाउ विल आई रिड्यूस द टेम्परेचर? फ्रॉम द सर्ज टैंक द हॉट वाटर इज सप्लाइड टू अ हीट एक्सचेंजर वाया अ वाटर पंप. ए हीट एक्सचेंजर रे दीटा लाइन थाए गोटे हॉट वाटर रो लाइन आ गोटे कोल्ड वाटर रो लाइन. कोल्ड वाटर रो लाइन टा कोठु आसिला? द कोल्ड वाटर लाइन कम्स फ्रॉम दिस कूलिंग टावर. कूलिंग टावर रे वाया अ वाटर सर्कुलेशन पंप goes into a heat exchanger. एठी कौन हुए हॉट वाटर तार हीट टा लॉस करे आ कोल्ड वाटर हीट टा गेन करे. सो हॉट वाटर टा कोल्ड है कि मोर गला ऑयल कूलर को आ कोल्ड वाटर जे कि हीट टा अब्जॉर्व करिला से वापस पळेला मोर कूलिंग टावर को. ए कूलिंग टावर इट इज ओपन टू एटमॉस्फेयर. सो ड्यू टू नेचुरल सर्कुलेशन ऑफ एयर the hot water is getting cold and again it is sent to the heat exchanger. जो cold water टा मोर oil cooler रे गला this is the same oil cooler which I used in the lubrication system. मु कहली lubrication system रे oil टा मोर heat जो हेतला गरम हेतला सीए टेम्परेचर रिलीज करके वापस गला. तो ए जो cold water जदि एटा excessively cold हे जाइची सीए कौन करिवो हीट टा absorb करके जेतिकी रिक्वायर्ड सेतिकी टेम्परेचर रे ही माने नॉर्मल नॉट सो कोल्ड टेम्परेचर रे मोर वापस गला डीजल इंजन को. सो दिस इज हाउ द वाटर कूलिंग इंजन कूलिंग सिस्टम वर्क्स. वाटर कूलिंग सिस्टम रो भी डिफरेंट टाइप्स अच्छी. सो वाटर कूलिंग सिस्टम कैन बी डिफरेंशिएटेड इनटू फोर्स्ड सर्कुलेशन और नेचुरल और थर्मोसाइफन सर्कुलेशन. फोर्स्ड माने गोटे पंप रहुचे द पंप फोर्सिबली पानी सप्लाई करिवो बट नेचुरल कूलिंग माने देयर इज नो पंप. पानी जेतले हॉट किंबा कोल्ड थाए देन तारो डिफरेंस इन द डेंसिटी सकासे मोर पानी रो टेम्परेचर चेंज हबो. फोर्स्ड सर्कुलेशन सिस्टम इज अगेन ऑफ टू टाइप्स. गोटे हैला ओपन किंबा सिंगल सर्किट सिस्टम आ गोटे हैला क्लोज्ड किंबा डबल सर्किट सिस्टम. एज द नेम सजेस्ट ओपन माने एठी पानीटा मोर रिसर्कुलेट होउनी. वंस यूज्ड इट हैज टू बी डिस्कार्डेड. सो गोटे पंप थाए which draws water from the nearby water source like a pond and forces it into the main engine jacket. After engine cooling, this hot water is not reused and discharged back into the pond. किंतु गोटे क्लोज्ड सर्किट रे किंबा डबल सर्किट रे ए कोल्ड वाटर टा बार बार मोर रिसर्कुलेट होता है. Water is made to flow from the heat exchanger when it takes up the heat from the water jacket and return back to the cooling pond. Say cooling pond ro cold water again it is recirculated. Now a system re water is only lost due to leakage or evaporation. Now coming to your engine governing system. As I know power plant re mote constant electricity produce kariar achi. It means generator ro output frequency constant rahiyar achi. The generator output frequency can be expressed by this formula, F is equal to N into P by 120, where N is the engine speed in RPM and P is the number of poles of the generator. So I can see the frequency of the output is directly proportional to the speed of the engine. That means frequency को मते constant रखिया पे engine रो speed टाकू भी constant रखिया रची. But I know जदि डीजल इंजन रे जदि लोड रे चेंजेस आसिला मोर स्पीड रे चेंजेस आसीबो. सो आई हैव टू मेंटेन अ सिस्टम जे कि आको कांस्टेंट रखिबो. सो अ स्पीड गवर्निंग मैकेनिज्म हैज टू बी इंस्टॉल्ड इनटू अ डीजल इंजन पावर प्लांट. व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ अ गवर्नर? Governor purpose is to control the speed of the engine by controlling the injection of fuel to the engine so that speed can be constant for all conditions of load. Suppose मोर इंजन ऊपर लोड अधिका हैला देन स्पीड कौन हम डिक्रीज कर जीवो. सो एठी गवर्नर रो काम हैला सी फ्यूएल रो इनटेक फ्यूएल इंजेक्शन को बढ़ाई देबो सो दैट स्पीड आपे आपे इंक्रीज हेकी कांस्टेंट मेंटेन हबो. सिमिलरली जेतोले मोर इंजन ऊपर लोड कमी जाउची द इंजन स्पीड टेंड टू इंक्रीज. तो सेतोले गवर्नर कौन करिवो फ्यूएल रो इंजेक्शन मात्र कमी देबो सो दैट द स्पीड डिक्रीजेस and hence it will be held at constant. Engine governors भी बहुत different types रो थांती. Some are centrifugal governor, some are inertia governor. Centrifugal governor माने flywheels रो centrifugal force सकासे मोरो governors कामो करे. But inertia governor रे मोरो fly balls रो inertia movement of inertia use वे. Centrifugal governors can be pendulum type or loaded types. Pendulum types are your watt governors. Loaded type again two types, gote hela dead weight types nale spring control types. The dead weight types are Porter governor, Proel governor, and spring control types hela Hartnell governor, Hartnell governor, Wilson Hartnell governor or Pickering governor. Coming to your power plant, coming to your diesel engine power plant, jadi mu speed control ko dekhibi then your governors can be either non isochronous nale isochronous governor. Isochronous governors are generally relay types, but non-isochronous governors, they are either mechanical types or else hydraulic or electric relay types. Jetole isochronous mode moro chale, jetole generators are on isochronous mode, it will maintain a constant frequency and hence a constant speed in which the speed will return to its original speed set point after the load which was applied is removed. But isochronous kon kare सी स्पीड किंबा फ्रीक्वेंसी रे टिके सेट पॉइंट रो चेंजेस सम परसेंटेज चेंज टिके अलाउ करे. जदि गोटे डीजल जनरेटर इज वर्किंग ऑल अलोन पैरेलली जदि किछे डीजल जनरेटर मोर कनेक्टेड नाइ देन आइसोक्रोनस स्पीड मु अलाउ कर परिबे. बट जदि generators are operating in parallel to each other, this isochronism will be affecting the stability of the engine. At that point, the non-isochronous speed control mode, which is also known as your droop speed control mode, is taken into account so that speed will decrease by a fixed percentage when the generator is loaded from a no load condition to a full load condition, so that more engine ro stability re kichi problem no ho. Now coming to your various advantages of diesel engine power plant. Well, मु देखिली the design और installation diesel plant रो बहुत ही easy. Different varying loads को मो diesel engine plant can respond very quickly without any difficulty. एथरे standby losses as compared to other power plants बहुत कम था. A diesel engine power plant can be very easily started and put on load conditions. There is no problem of ash handling as के output मोरा ash ही नहीं तो मोरा ash handling रो problem ही नहीं. Small fuel tank का smallest storage is required. Water requirement is very limited. बहुत ही इकोनॉमिकल लुब्रिकेशन सिस्टम मोर यूज हुए. द लेआउट ऑफ अ डीजल इंजन पावर प्लांट इज वेरी सिंपल. मेंटेनेंस और ऑपरेटिंग स्टाफ बहुत ही कम दरकार मोर डीजल इंजन रे. ऑल्सो for a small capacity of power output as compared to steam power plant, diesel power plant is much more efficient. Now coming to the various disadvantages. Of course, looking at to the other side of the coin, there are some disadvantages of diesel engine power plant. So, as mu janichi diesel ro cost बहुत अधिका, so the operating cost is very high. Also, the maintenance of the diesel power plant is very high. Due to this reason, per kilowatt of power produced, the plant cost is very high. Diesel unit capacity is also limited as it is a non-renewable source of energy. Generally, more overload re more continuous more diesel power plant power supply kari paribani, whereas steam power plant can work under 25% of overload continuously. A सब reasons sakase, due to this high maintenance, the life of a diesel plant is very short, just like 7 to 10 years. Also, diesel power plant रे noise or unwanted emissions are a very serious problem. Also, large scale जदि production, large scale रे जदि मु construction देखिबी, diesel power plant cannot be constructed. All this things keeping aside, keeping the advantages and disadvantages aside, the diesel power plant still finds wide application in practical field, such as जो साइट्स रे मते कोल आ वाटर मिलुनी से साइट्स रे मु आराम से गोटे डीजल पावर प्लांट बसी परिबी. इट इज वेरी सुइटेबल फॉर मोबाइल पावर जनरेशन which is used in transportation systems such as railroad, ships, automobile, aeroplanes. Also for small scale production where power generation is in small quantity, just like in emergency services more diesel power plant use haba. Then standby sets which require continuous supply such as hospital, institute, telephone exchange. Peak load for nuclear power plant kimba hydro power plant रे जेतोले base load हैला मोर nuclear kimba hydro सेतोले peak power plant पिंका मु diesel power plant use करचे. Industries where power requirement is small, just like 500 kilowatt, सेतोले मु आराम से गोटे diesel power plant will be more economical than any other type of power plant due to higher overall efficiency. Well, this brings us to the end of the topic. These are some of the assignment questions which may be helpful for your exams. Do look at to this assignment questions and prepare for them. I hope the subject was quite clear to you, but still, and thank you for your attentive and patient here. Still, if you find any difficulty in understanding anything, you may WhatsApp me at 8270609019. Thank you.
झीटीए तो माटी आम सामाजिक और पारिवारिक जीवनर मूल कथाटी से माने आगकू गले आगकू जीव संसार आम झील मैंने आ पुओंकठू पछरे नाहांती एबे तो बदली गलानी समय बदली गलानी जुग से झील माननकू आहुरी आगकू नहीं आत्मनिर्भरशील और स्वावलंबी करने ओडिशा सरकार सुदक्षा योजना रे सरकारी आईटीआई माध्यम संपूर्ण मागणारे जोगई देउछंती सबु प्रकार उत्कृष्ट मानर वैषयिक ज्ञान कौशलर तालीम एबे आम झील रहिबे सबुठू आगरे सबुठू उपरे
मु सफल मु कुशली मु सुदक्षा